Ladies, you know how you're always looking for a great little boutique to shop for clothes or, other great items? Well, I have found one on Highway 49 in Gulfport. It's called the Fashion Factory. 1311 Highway 49, 25th Avenue. It's on the north side of the Half Shell restaurant. But let me tell you what, they've got some great stuff. Jacqueline Smith, who is the owner, how are you?
I'm well.
It's
how
so
are
nice
you?
to meet
Yes,
you.
you as well.
Well, I'll tell you what made you decide to open up the Fashion Factory?
Well, I started online right when the coronavirus started, and I thought it'd be better financially just to start online and go from there. We started doing in-home parties that were really successful, so then we moved to brick and mortar finally.
All right, and I'll tell you what, ladies, they have got some great items here, so be prepared. Well, let's start out with this young lady right here.
This is a friend of mine, Samantha. She makes candles for us and also wax melts, and we curated a few of the scents ourselves, especially for Fashion Factory. This one right here is number 17. It is our best seller, and they are made from coconut soy wax with wood wicks, and we did the wax melts as well because we have a lot of teacher customers. We do always come out with new scents for different seasons, so be looking out for that. Lots of really great feedback from these candles.
And also, besides the candles and everything else that you have, got a lot of different types of clothes and jewelry. Matter of fact, hey, this is the time of the year, girls, to get in your Daisy Dukes.
Oh yeah, well we have those, and we have ones that are more of a maybe a better length for the moms out there that don't want a really short. But we do have a couple of different really popular brands. We have Judy Blues and we have Cans. We also have some with rhinestones for all the good concerts that'll be coming up. So we've definitely got you covered on the shorts area.
All right, well, let's swing over here, and I know you've got a little bit of pottery here, some great gift items.
We do. We like to host other small businesses because we know what it was like starting out. And this is from a girl named Allison Taylor. She does all of our coffee cups and our spoon rests. She's actually here from Gulfport. And then Miss Denise McHugh does our tea towels. She is from Biloxi. And so we like to have some handmade artisan gifts in the store as well. We also have these little pottery fish that are done by Miss Melissa Francis. And these are great for charcuterie boards. We have a lot of people buying those and adding them to the charcuterie board. So they've been a big hit as well.
Now, I know as far as clothes, you carry all different types of sizes, including plus size.
We do. We carry anything from extra small to a 3X. So we want to be inclusive to all sizes. So we are growing our plus size section. So for right now, we have tops, we have pants, and we have dresses for plus sizes. We also have a lot of wrap skirts and bodysuits that are very popular right now. Lots of dresses and lots of appropriate wear for business women. So we work in a district area where there are a lot of professional women, so we like to have something for them to choose as well.
A lot of different colors. I like that.
Yeah.
Just splash of colors.
Lots of color, lots of pattern. Yeah.
Oh, got a few hats. I know how you ladies love your hats.
We do. We have lots of hats for summertime, and we also have Jinsa Joe now. She's a very popular coast jewelry maker, and we are carrying her line now as well.
Okay. Some more little items down through here. I love these are cute little tops.
Yeah, we have a lot of cute little brands: Intro, Glam, THML, Jodiful, Savannah Jane. So we try to have a little bit of everything. Some things that are more fun for parties, and then some things that are business appropriate and casual as well.
There's some more of the little shorts.
More shorts. Yes, more shorts. We also have the Jodiful leopard blazers and lots of different colors that have been super popular lately. And we are fixing to start putting out all of our 4th of July stuff, so we are ready for that holiday. I do want to show the shirts that we have here, are the island shirts that have been really popular. I created this a couple years ago. We have the barrier islands on the front with the Mississippi, and then the islands are calling, and I must go with all of our barrier islands across. So
these are going to fly off the rack.
Yeah,
those are really cool.
Yeah, really nice.
Jacqueline.
So those have been real popular, especially with the holiday coming up for Father's Day.
Got long
we have
sleeve.
Short sleeve, long sleeve, and a few different colors, and then we also created a hat. So it's a Richardson hat, and it comes in several different colors. So we're real proud of that. They've been doing really well.
Very nice, very nice. Let's move over here.
Okay. We also have these new Valorosa beach totes that have been very popular. These are all handmade in Mexico and have been really well received. They come in lots of different sizes. This is just our first small shipment, so we'll continue to get new shipments along the way.
Those are nice.
Thank you.
And you got some
lots of sandals.
yeah.
You know, we love our shoes, so we have lots to choose from with sandals. We also have a lot of heels in the front of the store as well. And then if you want to move down here, we have a local lady that makes all of our bath products. We have soaps, bath salts, and then we also have a lot of bath bombs as well. Bath bombs are right over here. That's always makes a good gift. We do complimentary gift wrapping, so we'll wrap it up for you so it's ready to go, and you can run out the door to a birthday lunch or whatever event you're heading to.
That's nice. I notice over here you've got some different style of pants and jeans.
We do. Bell bottoms are back in, so we have lots to choose from with jeans. We have can jeans.
Oh, you're taking me back to my high school
I know,
days.
I know. I had some too when I was younger. So we do. We have lots of flares. We have skinnies. We have some straight legs and some professional wear pants as well.
Okay, and then some more purses.
some more stuff. We have lots of jewelry. I love a good beaded earring, so we have lots of fun beaded earrings and bracelets for you know, going on vacation and cruises. It's that time of year.
Yeah, it is.
And I love earrings, so we always have tons of earrings, lots to choose from. And you know, women just like jewelry, and it's easy to grab and go and wrap up as a gift. It's a great price point. Most of our earrings are $22. So,
and a good selection of them.
Yeah.
Little danglies, got the hoops, and all that stuff.
Yeah, we have a lot of studs as well for women that like a more simple look. So, yeah, try to have a little bit of everything.
Well, I tell you what, the selection of different items that you have here is unbelievable. Look like some nice little bracelets.
Yeah, this is
some
from
rings.
a lady that in 30A that makes these for us, and found her on Instagram, loved her look, especially being here on the coast. We thought they were a great match for us. So.
Oh, look at here.
Yeah,
the little Mississippi shirt
yeah,
for the...
we have the little island shirts in smaller sizes, so you can dress out your baby as well.
Oh, that is neat.
Yeah.
That is neat. And then, again, just a large selection of different things.
Yeah, we have a lot of shoe shop sneakers. They have been a very popular shoe. So we sell a lot of these. These are new. These have just come in, and people love these. So that's definitely a big hit for us. And then also lots of hair clips. It's a really big thing.
Real quick, what hours are you open?
We are open Monday through Saturday, 10 to 5. We are closed on Sunday. And we are right here on Highway 49 by the half shell.
That's right, just on the north side of the half shell, 1311 Highway 49, Gulfport or 25th Avenue. It's on the west side of Highway 49, right north of the half shell.